make a boat. Yes. I will do something like this, I think. Minute. Wait a minute. Okay. So I'll just add some stick figures. I'll just add some stick figures. Okay, wait. I make a chair. I'll make the sea. Wait, no. Why is the boat flying? Guys, we have to do something like this. This we have to like do something like this. I think I'll do. I'll make this random cherry here. Wait, no. Why would there be a cherry? So this is the book. Oh wait, let's see. Why did I even add a C? Okay guys, modern house is the next video. Okay guys.